Tired of seeing that promo code error message on Uber Eats? Let's fix it. First, double-check that you've entered the promo code correctly. Even a tiny typo can prevent it from working. Pay close attention to capitalization and any numbers. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, select Wallet from the options. This will take you to your payment and promotional balance screen. Now, tap on the Promotions tab. Here, you will see the applied or available promotion details. Check the expiration date of your promo code. Expired codes won't work. Also confirm if your order meets all the terms and conditions of the promo, such as minimum order value or restaurant restrictions. If the code should be working, try clearing the Uber Eats app cache. Go to your phone settings, find the Uber Eats app, and clear its cache. Finally, if none of these work, contact Uber Eats support directly. They're the best equipped to help with account-specific issues. Hopefully these steps fix the issues.